Jim, it's a pleasure to present LaserStar with MJSA's Sustainer Membership Award. It's a new award introduced this year, and it's being presented to 7 companies that give MJSA broad-based support as LaserStar does, as a member, as an exhibitor at Expo, as a sponsor, and as an advertiser. You make possible much of what we do, and we thank you very, very much. Congratulations on
thank
being
you.
Thank
you very much.
Member.
Thank you. And you know, MJSA has been an important part of our business since 1988 when I joined the company.
Wow.
I remember the old days of doing the shows in the basement of the Sheraton Towers Hotel in New York
Yes,
City.
yeah.
And they're a valuable part of our business, as is the MJSA membership. So thank you again.
Oh, thank you,
We
Jim.
look forward to many years in the future of working together.
Appreciate it very much.
Okay, thank you.